Chess tutorial. Pawn. A pawn is a piece that can move once or twice, but once the pawn moves twice, it can only move one at a time. A pawn can only attack or take on the left and right diagonal, or ignore the piece. Bishop. Bishop is a official or a viable piece. A bishop can move diagonally and attack or take diagonally. It can only move on its assigned color. Knight. A knight can only move on a L-shaped pattern. A knight is a unique piece that can only move on an L shape on its own. Rook. A rook can only attack in a straight line. Queen. A queen is powerful and official like the bishop, knight, and rook, and the queen can move diagonally and straight. King. A king is not unofficial, but its important purpose is not to be checkmated or the game is over. Promotion. If a pawn reaches the end of the match, you can promote to a queen, rook, knight, and a bishop. Types of result: checkmate, stalemate, or draw. Chess piece placements.